Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will discuss a very important topic, HTML style guide. It is set of the convention and best practice that define how we should code structure and format. Style guide helps ensure consistency and readability in web development project, making it easy for developers to maintain code. So let's get started. First, use proper document structure. Always start with a doc type HTML. Use lowercase for HTML, head, body. It's essential to maintain proper. For example, you can see doc type HTML and then HTML language and then meta name and title. It is lowercase. Here, another example. As you can see, do not write code like this. And then second, indentation and white space. Consistent indentation is crucial for readability. Use 2 or 4 space for each indentation level. You can see here div. When an element is a child, it should be clearly aligned with proper spacing to maintain its relationship with the parents. Without consistent indentation, the code becomes hard to read and debug. Element attributes. Maintain a consistent order for attributes, such as placing the source before other attributes. Always use lowercase for attributes, name, and double quotations mark for their values. Here, image tag and src. Then alt and at last given class and id. Writing attribute is uppercase or using inconsistent order should be avoided as it makes the code header too slow. Use meaningful tag. It's important to use semantic tag wherever possible like header, footer, section. Avoid using generic tag like div and span. Here, a header is use of semantic elements with the header. You can understand that the header section which may include navigation or other related component. This make it clear that the code is for the header. Similarly, other semantic elements like footer and article help both developers and search engines understand the purpose of the code. For instance, if we use the generic tag like div without a meaningful class name, it becomes unclear what it represents. Number 5. Use comments. Comments should be added to explain important section of the code and maintaining the code in the long run. For example, comments can describe the purpose of the following code block. When someone else reads the code, they will know what each section is meant. Our comments make the code more organized, especially in large projects, as they help locate specify section easily. Number 6. Self-closing tag. For wide elements like image or input, always use self-closing tag. Additionally, include a space before the closing slash for consistency. This makes it clear where the tags start and end. Without proper self-closing tag, it's become difficult to understand the boundaries of these elements. Last, code validation. Valid HTML ensure cross-browser compatibility, accessibility, and adherence to web standard. Regularly validate your HTML using tools like W3C validator to ensure that your code is correct and error-free. These were some key points of HTML style guide, which help make your code maintainable and consistent. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.